Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 783, minimum distance between binary search tree nodes. So in this problem, we have to find out the minimum difference between two nodes of a binary search tree, and obviously we have to find an absolute difference instead. Sorry, and what we'll be doing is we will be just simply traversing the tree in order fashion. For example, we will start with the leftmost node, then go to the root. We'll find the difference. We'll keep that in a global variable, and we'll also keep a node by the name previous node, let's say, in which I'll be checking out the last node which I have seen as of now. Okay, then we'll just simply do the subtraction on the values of the nodes, and we'll move on. Then we'll take the right node of from a root node, let's say, and again we'll find the difference between the root node and the right node. So it's a simple problem to solve. Let's move toward the solution. Okay. So as I mentioned, we will be needing two global variables to store the minimum difference and the previous value. So self dot minimum distance. Let's initialize it with infinity so that we get a margin to update this value, and we would need a previous node as well, right? Let's initialize it with none. Okay, this is done. So at the last, I want to re sorry, I want to return my minimum distance. Okay, now as we discussed, we would need in order traversal, right? So what I'll be doing is I will just define the method into the same function so that we don't have to share all the variables again and again. And we will take some, let's say, node. Okay. So this is the function which will be performing the in order traversal basically. If node is none, I just simply want to return. If not, I want to recursively call this function for the left node. Okay. So once we'll reach to the leftmost node, what I want to do is I want to check if my self dot previous node is not none. I will update my minimum distance, and how we'll be doing it, we'll keep the minimum of current minimum distance and the new value which we'll get after subtracting the value of our current root or the current node instead, sorry, minus value at your previous node. Okay, so we have used this node to do the calculation. And once done, we want to update the previous node with my current node. And then we will just simply move to the right subpart. Dot right. So this was the complete function. We will just have to initialize this function uh, with the current root, and we'll get the output. Let's check out the test cases. Okay. Sorry. This should have been node. Uh, yeah. So the test cases were clear. Let's submit for further evaluation now. And the solution got accepted, and we performed decent. Like we outperformed 68% of the submitted solutions. So thanks a ton, everyone, for watching the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.